Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, first we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and now right here we have to find our screen recorder. As you can see, screen recorder is right here, so now we have to hold on this icon like this till we open screen recording settings. And as you can see, right here is record sound option that we have to click on, and here we can choose if we want to record system audio, microphone audio, system audio and microphone audio, so both at the same time or none of them. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!